Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ananda Arif and I class 3A PBI. And here I will explain the article entitled Process Reading, the influence of text reader factor. Therefore, the study assignment the process from in the literature component prescribed for lower secondary student in Malaysia. This is to coach whether the pros from selected match the student needs to ensure the effectiveness of the intervention program conducts. Young adult literature. The term young adult literature emerged in the late 1960. It refers to realistic fiction that address problems, issue, and live circumstances which are of interest to young readers aged approximately between 12 to 18 and hidden. According to Stouffer, Yale influenced students in three ways, which are engagement, develop, and diversity. The best reason for using Yale is that they keep students reading. The factor effective reading the layout of a text and how it interact particular readers to determine the fate of the text. If it is well light, presentable, and sweet a reader, it will be read and explored. Otherwise, it may remain on the shelf gathering dust. Reading process to take place. Reader factor effective reading. When a text interests the reader and emotional responses is produced, this response develops student motivation and contributes to improved attitudes, enjoyment with reading. Text that match student language ability level, interest, age, gender, and prior knowledge give a positive impact on the text comprehension. In research design, the study employed the qualitative research method in collecting and analyzing data. In participation, 6 from 2 students were purposefully selected to participate in this study. In the data collecting and data analysis produced, individual in-depth interview were carried out to elicit the thoughts, attitudes, beliefs, and experience from 2 students. Picture. Results show that all participants prefer reading process text which contain picture, especially real and colored ones. The font size of prints also affect the ease of reading. Generally, the participants were positive about the font size in the prose text, which is Times New Roman size for 40. They could read as the font is legible. Author. The choice of author is also important to maintain interest in reading the process text and its comprehension. Glossary. All the participants insisted that the glossary section shall be included in the process to aid comprehension. Student life background. The student background before reading prose affect the reading. Language proficiency level of student. The proficiency level of the student will also impact the reading process examination. It is interesting to note that the interest to read process the text is also much examination driven. Implication: comprehension of text differs according to individuals. One may not understand a text as what is expected by the author because meaning does not reside on the printed. Synergy occurs in reading, which combines the word on the printed page with the reader's background knowledge and experience. Conclusion: the present study has provided insight into the current literature textbook used from to students in Malaysia school and the need for careful consideration in future text selection parties. This is especially crucial to maintain student interest in reading literary material in English. It is important to note that when text factor affect participants' process reading, it influence participants' interest, their motivation to read and to understand a particular text.